Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today's video, you guys, is another haul video. 2 haul videos back to back. Bath & Body Works is having a huge soap sale this weekend, $2.95. And if you go in store, don't do it online. If you go in store, you can use a coupon. So yes, we're gonna get into this haul today. I did also pick up one other item because I had another coupon. Before we get too much further, of course, today's lip is by me. I am wearing Rosé All Day. Rosé All Day from our new Sip Happens collection. I have 3 in the collection: Chardonnay, Rosé All Day, and Merlot Hooray from Sip Happens. You know, because Sip Happens. And they all smell like sparkling wine. Oh, yes, yes, yes. So freaking good. Definitely want to get your hands on Rosé All Day. It's a beautiful, slightly pink gloss. I love it. It's been flying. Definitely get over to Banger Beauty by Mary and get you a Rosé All Day. And let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, like I said, I went in store and I used a coupon. Not 1, but 2. Because I had a free body care item coupon up to $16.95, and I also had a 20% off coupon. So, here's my beautiful receipts. So, I spent a total of $28.04 for everything you're about to see, and I saved $77.44. So that to me is almost like a 75% off discount when you think about it. It was, I got $100 worth of stuff and I paid $28. Hell yeah, baby. Now what I did use for my body care coupon that I had, y'all, I had to get me a Vanilla Romance in the perfume spray. I ain't gonna shell out that money for that big one yet. I ain't doing it just yet. I'm gonna wait for a really good sale, but I had to get my hands on the perfume. I had to. So I was like, all right, I'll get the mini. My God, why do they make these so hard to open? There we go. There we go. Okay, I'm getting it out there. I'm working on it. Your girl's working on it. All right, we got the label off, or the little wrapper thing off. I'm excited. I have not smelled the perfume yet, so I'm super excited. We'll do a little blot in there. Yo, this perfume is freaking amazing. The cardamom comes through beautifully. I still have my flabbergasted over the fact that people are trying to say that this is Bonfire Bash. The hell it is not. It is not Bonfire Bash. The cardamom in here sweetens it up. It's a beautiful scent, but it ain't Bonfire Bash. And I think those of you who are listening to that and went out and bought Vanilla Romance thinking it was Bonfire Bash, especially if you've had Bonfire Bash before, were probably very disappointed. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be getting my hands on either more of these or that big bottle. But this is fire. Fire. Hello, lover. Hello, lover. Oh, yeah, this is a good one. It's a good one. The rest of the items in this haul are soaps. I think I got 11. It's been a while since I did a soap haul, and I was going through all my soaps in the basement, and I noticed that I don't have quite as many for fall as I normally do. So I was like, what the hell? And it's a $2.95 sale, and I had a coupon. Huh, girl, say no more. So the first thing I had to get this one, Wicked Vanilla Woods. Look at that packaging, yo. Wicked Vanilla Woods. Now, they got the soap in store, but they got all the other shit online only. Make it make sense, Jesus. Make it make sense. Scent notes are magical vanilla, glowing amberwood, and enchanted pink pepper. I wonder if the soap is a bit more vanilla heavy, just like the body care is this year. Ooh, it smells good. I don't get a lot of pink pepper in this soap, like not whatsoever, so I'm happy about that. I did, of course, have to get one of my favorite soaps for fall, Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. Hell yes. Scent notes are maple syrup, golden waffles, and pumpkin spice. This soap smells so good, you just want to like eat it. Eat it. Maple waffly goodness, freaking amazing. Amazing. I had to get one in Vanilla Romance. Absolutely had to. I have a feeling this fall, this is going to be my signature scent. Fresh Cardamom, Vanilla Absolute, and Captivating Woods. The soap smells like it could be a tad on the lighter side, but in my experience with soaps, sometimes in the bottle they'll smell one way, but actually using them, they smell sometimes a different. So I don't let that always gauge how well something's gonna do, because yeah, the ones that smell amazing in the bottle usually smell amazing on the hands, but I've had this happen to me numerous times where I picked up a soap and I didn't think I was gonna like it because I was like, oh, I don't like that scent. I've used it and I was like, well, damn, on the hands, this smells really, really good. So yeah, I have a feeling this is gonna be a lot stronger on the hands than what it smells like in the bottle. You know what I noticed when I was in store today? This scent wasn't even on my radar, but I noticed all was gone of it in this big section of it, except one. I was like, well, damn, let me smell this. And I picked it up. It's Brambleberry Harvest. Brambleberry Harvest. This sucker was not even on my radar at all. Scent notes are sweet berry jam, orange zest, and fresh picked cranberries. And y'all, I was impressed. Like, you definitely get notes of that berry jam, but they did the orange and the cranberry in here perfectly. It's a bright orange. Like, something about this smells so familiar and so good, but I cannot put my finger on it, but I love it. If they made this into body care, I would buy it. I have absolutely 100%. Now, of course, your girl is on a kick with this scent this fall. Candy Apple Cauldron. Yep. Scent notes are mysterious green apple, simmering sugar, and crystallized bergamot. I thought that packaging was so cute. Look at that. It's so cute. And of course, I've been seeing Halloween everywhere in stores lately. Dollar General has all their stuff out, all these other stores. I was like, damn, we full force in Halloween now, ain't we? Oh, this is kind of different in the soap. In the soap, to me, on just cold sniff in the bottle, it smells more bergamot-y than apple. But we'll see what happens using it. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I had to get this one because I got the pocket back in it a while back. And I was like, it is Brown Sugar Toaster Treat. Brown Sugar Toaster Treat. It is crumbled crust, gooey brown sugar, and sprinkled cinnamon. Damn, it smells good, baby. Yeah, it smells good. It smells like a brown sugar Pop-Tart is what this smells like. That's exactly what it smells like. I had to get another one of these. Y'all, I have one. And I freaking said it. I was going to get another one. This they need to make into body care. It is Danbury Shortbread. Oh my God, from the Bridgerton collection. Scent notes are whipped vanilla, almonds, and sugared crystals. Y'all! They need to make this into body care. You really get heavy shortbread notes in it, and it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. If they ain't gonna do it, your girl might do it, because I'm expanding my line with body lotions and body scrubs that will be coming out here within about 3 weeks or so. So stay tuned for that. So maybe I better do that. Maybe I better, since they ain't gonna do it, maybe your girl should do it. What you think? What you think? I also had to get Wild Berry French Toast. This is another one I had picked up in pocketback form. Loved it. Scent notes are sweet berries, brioche French toast, and sprinkles of cinnamon. This absolutely smells like blueberry French toast, and I freaking love it. I absolutely love it. This is a good one, y'all. It's a good one. I got three more. I did pick up Together Weather in soap form. I don't recall ever seeing Together Weather previously in a soap. If I'm wrong, correct me down below. I loved Together Weather last fall. I had to get it. Scent notes are Blushing Breeze, Sugared Cardamom, and Soft Cedar. I'm dripping on myself, but I'm going to smell like Together Weather, so that ain't a bad thing. This is a good one, y'all. It is absolutely good. I love Together Weather. That cardamom is beautiful in there. It's a sweeter. Okay. I had a lot of people asking me about the difference between Together Weather and Vanilla Romance because they both have cardamom. This is much sweeter in comparison to Vanilla Romance. Vanilla Romance is good and it has its sweet qualities about it, but this is much sweeter in comparison to Vanilla Romance. So there's your answer to that. I did also get Pink Gumball. Pink Gumball, scent notes of Rainbow Gumdrops, Sugared Vanilla, and Pink Spun Sugar. I've had this in the past and I loved it. It's bubblegum pop in a hand soap. That's exactly what this is bubblegum pop in a hand soap. Excellent! Fire, fire! And the last one I got is Cherry Almond Shortbread. Y'all, the candle in this is amazing. Amazing. They need to make that damn candle into body care. Note to self, maybe for next spring. But for myself, my own line. But this is amazing. Scent notes is Vanilla Shortbread, Candied Almonds, and Cherry. Yo, I think the hand soap's even better than the candle, possibly. Damn! The hand soap is very cherry heavy. The almond and the shortbread are afterthoughts, but they're definitely there. But damn! Damn, baby, damn! Your girl's taking notes. Trust me, trust me, trust me. Yeah, but that is everything I got from the soap sale. Did you guys take part in this soap sale? It's a great price. I ain't paying over $2.95 for a hand soap. I ain't doing it. Hell no. And with that coupon I had, it made each of them, what did it, $2.36 is what it made each of those soaps. So hell yes, I will pay $2.36 for a soap. I ain't paying full price. I ain't paying no $7.95. Ain't happening, ain't happening. Yeah, but let me know what you guys got in the comments down below. Don't forget to get over to Bang Your Beauty by Mary. Get you some rosé all day from the Sip Happens collection, or check out Chardonnay, Merlot Hooray, or any of the other glosses we have on there currently. And we have eyelashes, y'all. I don't think if a lot of y'all knew we have eyelashes. And they are marked down currently. There's a clearance section as well over at Bang Your Beauty by Mary. So make sure you get over there and check that out. We're trying to get rid of that summer inventory so we can get into fall. And yeah, we're at my favorite part. Ready, ready, ready? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.